gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Let's dive into the unboxing of the OPPO Find X9s Pro. This one here is the 1TB quad-color white variant featuring 80-watt support, USB-A, and built on a 1nm process. Interestingly, even though it's the white version, it actually comes with a slightly purple-tinted case, which is a nice unexpected touch. Right away, you might notice the Lumo Camera System branding here. The overall finish feels premium and refined. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Our unit is the quad color white, which has a soft, slightly toned down shade that works really well for bright spring vibes. The design feels fresh and elegant with a smooth velvet-like texture thanks to the lid cold glue process. The back panel has a design inspired by makeup aesthetics and is crafted as a seamless single piece. Up in the top right corner, you'll spot the Lumo Camera System logo. So, what do you think about the look? One of the standout aspects of the OPPO Find X9s Pro is definitely how it feels in hand. With its slim 8.4mm body, it's super comfortable to use one-handed. It also features an ultra-narrow 1.1mm four-sided flat display, which looks really sleek. Plus, it runs the new ColorOS 16 Gold label system, bringing a noticeable upgrade to the overall experience. Now let's check out the new Sony profile feature. When you play music and tap on it, the album art expands and you can see the lyrics right there. Tap again and the lyrics get bigger. One more tap reveals animations. There's also a cool option to minimize it into a small capsule. Pull it down and it shrinks neatly. Tap it again and it pops back up. Swipe up and you'll notice just how smooth and polished the animations feel. Another immersive feature shows up during navigation. For example, if you're using pedestrian navigation while music is playing below, you can easily tap to switch between them. The transitions and animations here are really well done. Overall, the strength of this device lies in its immersive and fluid experience, letting you access important information in a seamless, full-screen way. On the camera side, the OPPO Find X9s Pro comes equipped with a Hasselblad dual 200 megapixel setup. Both the main camera and the telephoto lens use large 200 megapixel sensors, which sounds very promising. We'll dive deeper into that after the official launch event on April 21st. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.